How do I download the ITV Hub app on my TV?
Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to download and install the ITV Hub app on your smart TV. ITV Hub is an amazing platform where you can catch up on your favorite shows, stream live TV, and much more. Getting the app on your TV is a simple process, and we're going to walk you through it step by step.
Is your TV compatible?
Before we start, it's important to know that ITV Hub app is available on a range of smart TVs, including but not limited to Samsung, LG, Sony, Panasonic, and Hisense. It's also available on smart TV platforms such as Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku. Ensure your TV model or platform supports ITV Hub before proceeding.
Navigating to your TV's App Store.
The first step to getting the ITV Hub app is navigating to your TV's App Store. Depending on your TV model or platform, this could be called something different, like Google Play Store on Android TVs, LG Content Store on LG TVs, or App Store on Apple TV. To get there, 1. Turn on your TV and press the home button on your remote. 2. Navigate to the App Store using your remote's arrow keys.
Searching for the ITV Hub app.
Once you're in the App Store, 1. Navigate to the search bar. It's usually located at the top of the screen. 2. Type ITV Hub using the on-screen keyboard and hit the Enter button.
Downloading and installing the app.
After you've searched, you'll see the ITV Hub app appear in the search results. 1. Select the ITV Hub app by clicking on it. 2. Then, select Install or Download to start the download process. Wait for the app to download and install. This could take a few moments depending on your internet connection.
Accessing the ITV Hub app.
Once the installation is complete, the ITV Hub app will appear in your TV's app list or home screen. 1. Navigate to your home screen or app list. 2. Select the ITV Hub app to open it. You may need to sign in or create an account if you haven't done so already. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the ITV Hub app on your TV. Now you're ready to enjoy your favorite ITV programs directly from your smart TV. Remember, if you encounter any issues, the ITV support team is there to help. Hope this tutorial was helpful and enjoy your viewing experience.